Yo, check it. This your nigga B reporting live. I'm at work. Motherfucking tornado watchers is coming through. Nigga, the tornado about to touch down right there, dog.
This is Derek Brothers, reporter live. Channel 16 News. Keeping it hood. Look to your right.
Oh shit, nigga, let's get a close up real quick, nigga. Hold up. It's raining like shit though. I'm going in for the close up. And oh fuck no. Nigga, do you see that shit? Ooh boy, nigga, that's a motherfucker Foreman. That's two, dog. God damn, that's two. Oh shit. I'm on scene reporting live. I'm in danger, but fuck it, I'm doing it for y'all. Check your boy out. Look at that shit. That shit about to touch down.